Number 18. What is a function of the lymphatic system? So lymphatic system is the system that consists of lymphatic vessel and lymph nodes. Okay, so lymphatic nodes or lymphatic node stores white blood cells, and they also make white blood cells as well. And the lymphatic vessels are where the lymphatic cells or the white blood cells travel through. Okay, that was a bad drawing there. Okay, so the white blood cells get made in the lymphatic nodes, and then they get transported by the lymphatic vessels. The white blood cells and the fat molecules that are also transported by the lymphatic vessel are collectively called as tissue fluids. When they enter the lymphatic system, they're actually called lymphs, but they also have another name, which is called the body fluids. So body fluids consist of like white blood cells and fat molecules, and a bit of that and that. So C is the only reasonable answer for this circulation of body fluids. A, nope, doesn't make any sense because it doesn't help with absorption of glucose. So absorption of glucose is achieved by small intestine, not lymphatic system. Blood clotting, it's achieved by platelets. So nope, lymphatic system has nothing to do with it. Temperature regulation has nothing to do with the lymphatic system because temperature regulation is actually controlled by, let's say, thyroid glands, which you guys don't actually have to know. It's part of homeostasis, and of course, you have to know a bit about that, like in topic 14, but not for this topic. So let's talk about this one when we talk about topic 14. Okay. Anyways, it's got nothing to do with the lymphatic system, so only reasonable answer is C.